Hey everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm the media manager of Triplemars. In this video I will show you step by step how to sign up to Triplemars. The process in reality is very simple, so let's begin. So first thing you need to do is to click on sign up, write your email, if you want you can write your phone number as well, and then click submit. After that you will get an email from Triplemars. The email goes out almost instantly and you should see it in your inbox, promotions or spam. Usually it's in your inbox. After clicking the link, you will be automatically redirected to Triplemars to create your own password. After clicking set password, you'll be headed to the Triplemars dashboard. Click on upgrade plan, go into your user profile and fill up the information. Your first name, last name, country and phone number are mandatory for the account safety. After you fill all of those, click apply. After that, go to your subscriptions and choose a plan. When choosing a plan, it's very important that full tracking conversion will be marked. Usually it's the default option, but if you want to check, you can do that as well. Why do we always use this option? Well, it's for eBay, to see that we are shipping all of our items from the same location. And also to show eBay that we are consistent and we use only one carrier to ship all of our items. So instead of shipping items with 3 different carriers, eBay sees that we ship the item with only one carrier, Aqualine, and not with UPS, USPS and Amazon all together mixed up. After you choose your plan, the dashboard and all the features of Triplemars will be available to you. And now all that is left to do is to connect your eBay store to Triplemars. You can do it from your settings that are on the top right side, then clicking connection management and connect. Connect your destination account, which is in our case eBay and United States, and then just click on connect. Or alternatively, you can do that from the pop-up that may appear on your screen. If your eBay account is on a cloud or a proxy, the first connection must be made in that platform. For example, if I have an account on my cloud, so I enter to my Triplemars account on the cloud and then I connect my cloud eBay store to Triplemars. After you have done that specific first connection from the cloud or from the proxy, if your store is there, if it's not, so you can just connect your store from your main PC, you are able to do all the actions through the Triplemars monitor, doesn't matter on what computer. Keep in mind that in Triplemars you have no limitations to the amount of stores you can connect to the Triplemars system. You just need to make sure that you stay within the subscription limit with all the items that you have monitored through all your stores. After you have signed up to the system and chose a plan, I really suggest you to watch the video in the description. That video is a review about the most important features Triplemars system has to offer. If you still feel confused about the features of Triplemars, you can always go to the knowledge base of the system. It's always in the description under every video. And if you like to watch videos more than reading, so you should subscribe to our YouTube channel, because more videos about the Triplemars features are going to be released very soon.